Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to download Invoice on AliExpress. If you are on your mobile app, you just come at the bottom right, click on your profile icon, or basically just access account. And then here you'll see your orders. I want you to click on view all. You'll view all your orders and you can download invoices there. If you are on your PC, what you do, you go right there to your account. Okay, basically go on the profile icon, go to your account, go to orders, and then I want you to click here on order details, right? And then from there, you just click here on download invoice. Okay, you're able to download the invoice from here and it will download. You can download the PDF invoice as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.